So we are in second type of non-contact force, that is electrostatic force, which is exerted by a charged body on another charged body or uncharged body. So any object has charge in it. By rubbing, the electrostatic charges can be seen on the object, either it is positive charge or negative charge. Here an activity is explained here. The aim of the activity is to observe the action of an electrostatic force. Requirements: a plastic straw, blade, cotton thread and sheet of paper. Take a plastic straw and cut it into nearly 2 equal pieces with the help of blade. Suspend one of the piece from any support with the help of thread. Now rub the one end of the other piece of straw with a sheet of paper by holding it from other hand. रबिंग से हम लोग उसमें चार्ज ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, चार्ज इधर पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव चार्ज. नाउ ब्रिंग द रब्ड एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रॉ नियर द सस्पेंडेड स्ट्रॉ. जो स्ट्रॉ थ्रेड की हेल्प से लगाए थे उसके करीब दूसरे चार्ज स्ट्रॉ को लाएंगे. डू नॉट टच बोथ पीसेस टू ईच अदर. टच नहीं करना है, थोड़ा दूर ही रखना है. We will see that when we bring the rubbed end of straw near the suspended straw, an attraction between both straw comes into play. Why? Because there is attraction. Now rub the free end of the suspended straw with a sheet of paper. Again bring the pre-rubbed straw near the free end of the suspended straw. दोनों स्ट्रॉ को हम लोग शीट ऑफ पेपर से रब करेंगे और फिर दूसरे स्ट्रॉ को सस्पेंडेड स्ट्रॉ के पास लाना है. When you bring the rubbed end of straw near the rubbed end of suspended straw, a repulsion can be seen. We will see that both straw will move apart. That means there is repulsion between them. वो दोनों एक दूसरे से दूर जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Why? This is due to a force called electrostatic force, and it results due to repulsion of similar charge or attraction between opposite charge. Previously there was attraction and second time there is repulsion because of the same charges, and attraction due to opposite charges. So this is the example of electrostatic force. This topic again we will read in separate chapter in detail. Third is gravitational force. Gravitational force, the force which is applied due to gravity. It was discovered by Newton. He discovered that all objects in the universe exert a force on all other objects, and this is called gravitational force or just gravity. It is not a property of the earth alone. Not only earth के केस में ही हम लोग समझते हैं कि gravitational force है, but ऐसा नहीं है. Any two objects when come close due to this gravitational force, all objects in the universe exerts a force on other objects. So it is an attractive force When you jump up, you come down again. Why? Due to gravity. When we throw ball upward, it comes downward because of gravity of Earth. The gravitational force between the moon and the Earth keeps the moon revolving around the Earth. And the gravitational force of the moon is about 1/6 of the Earth. अर्थ का 1/6 पार्ट होता है मून का ग्रेविटी. So it is very less in comparison to the Earth. And the fourth one is nuclear force, the force that exists among the tiny particles in the center of an atom is called nuclear force. Atom is made up of proton and electron and neutron. So there is center nucleus part where proton and neutron is there and electron revolves around. So there is some force between these particles, and this is called nuclear force. And because of this force, the particles stay together. So these are all about the different types of force. Next, pressure, we will continue next day.